Yo, what's up, stream? This is cool to the wind. Cold. The wind. Heart. Fine. Oh, cold to the wind.
Dude, best game ever.
Hashtag best game of 2015. You guys should see it. It's gonna be great. There's gonna be a lot of flying around. Well, maybe there might be. Not entirely sure. Whoa. This is my guy.
Alright. Cool. Let's see, where's Steam? Steam.
Oh, Justin, this looks pretty nice. God damn. Got it. Justin, I made a nice, I made a pretty nice outfit here.
Really?
Yeah. Call of Duty franchise, 17 to 50% off.
Games. Call to the wind. I played almost an hour.
I've played over an hour, but I've played 77 minutes worth.
I've played 48.
Goodness sake. Sick.
The faster you run, the more damage you do. What? Yeah, you want to join a game?
Sure, let's do it. We're going to join a game. Is there anybody even playing right now? It's one person.
In the entire world.
Here, let me go back.
You think we could, kind of do bots? Is there bots?
Maybe.
Wait, you want to host one?
Let's see. Bots. See anything with bots.
Robot. Frick.
Should just be you versus me. Go to join game, bro. So you can join my game.
Which one are you?
Oh man, I have no idea. I think it's that
The one with
bottom
two
one. Yeah, I think it's the one with
ping.
two. Because we're like right next to each other.
I guess it's just you versus me then.
Yeah, you just.
See,
You're gonna go on alloys. Allies, I meant. So you're on axis.
wait, why am I on allies?
Oh man.
Access. Alright, spawn. Alright,
I'm going to freaking destroy you.
I'm gonna go capture your freaking flag.
Turd.
Wait, the faster you go, the more damage you do.
Yeah, man. You see in the bottom left right there? That's a multiplier.
Wait a second, I can't capture your flag.
That's your flag, bro.
Oh, I'm red.
Dude,
I'm
what's
gonna
that?
murder you.
Nah, man. I'm gonna have time for this. Whee! My health is going down. Gotta go fast.
I'm gonna murder you.
I'm almost dead.
I don't have any more ammos.
I don't think
Oh, I grabbed your flag.
You freaking what, mate?
Come at me! Frickin' run! Oh no! No!
Frick. Whatever. He scored a point.
my goodness. Don't you dare try and steal my flag.
I'm going for it right now.
Fine, then I'm gonna steal yours while you're gone.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. It's okay.
Well, I'm gonna take you. Freaking, we're kind of.
I turned into an airplane for a minute there.
Wait, what happens if I jump all the way down here?
You might die. It's like Chains of Death.
We just.
Both freaking return at the exact same time.
Yeah.
That's
Why are
weird.
there Nazi symbols up here?
What do you mean? Where?
Freaking Axis are the Nazis. I don't want to be on the Nazis.
Justin, how could you?
You made me.
You're German?
No, I'm not even German in any way.
Man.
Also, German
I'm a
doesn't
little
mean
bit
Nazis.
Yeah, I
we
know.
don't blame Germany.
Well, no,
for
I mean the
Nazis. We blame
Nazis.
Hitler.
Well, it's
for the
because
Nazis.
the Nazis were German. Not all Germans were Nazis, but were all Nazis German?
Yeah. Because Hitler was like, Germany's number one. Anyone that's not German deserves to die. And you all know it's really funny. He wasn't born in Germany.
Yeah, he's also dumb.
We
Don't tell me what to do.
I don't got any ammos. Ow.
Will do.
Frick.
You're welcome. I filtered ammo rounds. Just what do you think you're doing?
Getting away with it.
What? Excuse me?
What, mate?
You want me?
Kinda freaking. There's 25 minutes left in this match. Why don't you just go do something else?
Sure.
It's kinda getting.
Let's pretend this never existed. This part never existed.
Yeah.
Should we just say the next part is also part 5? Just pretend that this part not.
No, we can still keep this part, but we can say that like freaking it's terrible.
Get out of this song.